Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw projects from Final Cut Pro library to external drive step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your computer. Navigate to the Libraries panel located on the left side of your screen. Select the library that contains the project you want to withdraw. Locate the project you wish to move within the library. Right-click on the project name to reveal the context menu. Select Consolidate Project Media from this menu. In the dialog box that appears, choose the option to copy media to library. Click OK to begin the consolidation. Wait for Final Cut Pro to finish copying the media files to the library. Once complete, select the project again. Right-click on the project name once more. This time, choose Export XML from the context menu. Select a location on your external drive where you want to save the XML file. Give the XML file a specific name for easy identification. Click Save to export the project XML to your external drive. Now, navigate to your external drive in Finder. Create a new folder for your project if it doesn't already exist. Open the new folder to keep your files organized. Go back to Final Cut Pro and select the media clips associated with your project. Right-click on the selected media clips. Choose Share from the context menu. Select Export Media to begin exporting your project files. Choose the desired format and settings for your export. Specify the same folder on your external drive, if necessary. Click Save to begin the export process. Wait for the export to finish. Once exported, verify that all files are present on your external drive. You have successfully withdrawn your project from the Final Cut Pro library to your external drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.